This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the file and container so you don't chase settings that aren't the problem. Open the OBS export in a robust player like VLC to confirm the render is intact. If VLC plays it and Windows Media Player fails, the issue is codecs or container compatibility. Once done, make sure you know whether OBS recorded to MP4 or MKV, because WMP often needs proper MP4 codecs or a conversion to succeed. Now you resolve the middle step. Enable WMP-compatible codecs or change the file. If Windows lacks media features, install the correct media feature pack or a trusted codec pack so WMP can decode H.264/awk. If the source is MKV, use OBS's Remux option to make a clean MP4 without re-encoding. Or you can convert with Handbrake choosing MP4 and H.264 for maximum compatibility. These actions address why you finish by validating the fix and knowing what to do if it fails. Open the remuxed or converted MP4 in Windows Media Player. If it plays, the process is complete. If not, make sure the file isn't blocked by Windows File Properties, reset the WMP library, or reinstall the media feature pack. As a quick workaround, keep VLC as a reliable fallback. If OBS exports look corrupted, also check GPU drivers and OBS encoder settings to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.